Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. L-threonine is 2s3r 2-amino 3-hydroxybutanoic acid. It has two stereocenters, C2s configuration, bearing NH2, and C3r configuration, bearing O. Moving on to the next step. In a Fisher projection, horizontal bonds point toward the viewer and vertical bonds point away. The most oxidized carbon, CO2H, is placed at the top and CH3 at the bottom. Moving on to the next step. Determine C2-2s configuration in Fisher projection for the S configuration at C2 with CO2H above and CH3 below, both going away, NH2 and H on horizontal bonds. Priority order NH2 1, CO2H 2, CH3 3, H 4. With H on the right, pointing toward viewer, if the 1 to 3 sequence is counterclockwise in the drawing, that corresponds to S, placing NH2 on the left and H on the right at C2 gives S configuration. This matches options B and D. And for the final step, determine C3, 3R configuration in Fisher projection at C3 groups R of H, horizontal, toward viewer, C2 chain above, and CH3 below. Priority of 1, C2 chain, 2, CH3, 3, H4. With H on the right, toward viewer, if 1 to 3 is clockwise as drawn it appears R but must account for H pointing toward viewer, invert. In option B at C3 H is on the left and O is on the right. With O on right and H on left, H points toward viewer, left side, priorities O, 1, is right, C2 chain, 2, is up, CH3, 3, is down, 1 to 3 goes counterclockwise as seen, but since H is toward viewer, we invert to get clockwise is equal to R. This gives 3R configuration. C2 has H2N on left, H on right 2S. C3 has H on left, O on right 3R. This matches 2S3R, 2-amino 3-hydroxybutanoic acid is equal to L-threonine. A has NH2 on right at C2 to R incorrect. C has NH2 on right at C2 to R and O on left at C3 3S incorrect. D has NH2 on left at C2 to S but O on left at C3 3S incorrect. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.